This guy attacked the filming biker, but got the funniest instant karma ever. It all started when the biker was just cruising along, and out of nowhere, a BMW driver dangerously cut him off. But the reckless driver had no clue he was about to get humiliated in front of everyone. After getting flipped off, the BMW driver went nuts. He slammed the horn and pulled up next to the biker, yelling like crazy. You could tell he was trying to impress the girl sitting beside him, but it only made things worse.
Walk on. Get the f out, bro. Why are you putting it in front, bro, when I'm going 50? Are you f***ing idiot? You f***ing stupid.
Then when the biker tried to ride off the BMW, almost ran him over and flew past way too close. That's when the biker snapped and decided to follow him.
Look at that. Idiot. Dad. DJ170.
When the BMW came to a stop, the biker passed and pulled up on the sidewalk, but what happened after that was priceless. Let's just say the universe gave him the perfect dose of karma.
Oh, roll down the window. What, you think you're bad? You think you're bad? You think you're bad because you got a girl next to you. You think you're bad, you got a girl next to you. You're gonna get f***ed up, bro. You're gonna get f***ed up, that's what you think. Huh?